Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet half of a granny square. I'm using super bulky weight yarn, so I'm using a larger hook. So you want to start with the magic ring, and then you want to chain 3. This chain 3 is going to count as your first double crochet stitch. Okay, so into the ring, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. So we're starting at the center of the half square. So that's 2 and 3. Okay, pull on the tail to tighten. So I did work my stitches right over the tail. So you want to tighten this part. And then you have your center. So the beginning is right here. That's where we start. Row 2, chain 3 and turn. And the chain 3 is always going to count as a double crochet stitch. So you're going to skip that very first one because it's the chain 3 space into the next stitch, and every stitch across 1 double crochet. So you only have 2 double crochets. Into the chain 2 space, you're going to work 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. If you find that this is too many stitches and it starts to become more of a peak, if you find that 3 double crochets is too much, you can try 2 double crochets. It just depends on your tension. Okay, and then you just work 1 double crochet in every stitch across, including the turning chain. And then into the turning chain, the 3rd chain, you want to work your last double crochet stitch. Okay, so that's it. You just repeat the last row. You're going to chain 3. I'm going to show you how to work a chainless double crochet. You want to pull up a tall loop, swing back around, and then insert your hook into the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Now you're just going to work 1 double crochet in each stitch across until you get to the chain 2 space. Okay, I'm at the chain 2 space. You always work your 3 double crochets, chain 2 and 3 double crochets, and then on the other side you just work double crochets. So that's 3 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work 1 double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches, and don't forget to work your double crochet into the 3rd chain from the beginning chain 3. So that would be your turning chain. Right here, 1, 2, 3, right into the 3rd chain, 1 double crochet. So you can see it taking its shape. The squares that I made only had 3 rows, so I'll just go ahead and leave this as is. I'll leave a link for the tutorial on the full square if you are interested in that tutorial. Okay, so that is it. You'll just repeat the last row if you want it larger. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.